Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie and I'm an Adult Services Librarian at Watsonville Public Library. Welcome to our Dig Deeper video series where we will be making DIY projects using common household items. For today, we're going to be creating an origami seedling pot using newspapers. For this particular craft, we'll need one thing: newspapers. Let's go ahead and begin. So we're going to start out with the newspaper laid out in front of us. We want the long side facing us. The next thing we're going to do is fold the newspaper from left to right. We are then going to lift the newspaper from the pre-existing fold in the middle and fold it in half. Once again, we are going to fold the newspaper from left to right and press down the fold. Now we are going to gently lift the bottom right corner up and fold it against the spine. We are then going to gently press down the newspaper. We are then going to flip the newspaper over and repeat this process. As we go along, remember to press down on the folds to ensure that they are crisp. We are going to lift the left wing and then gently lay it flat. It should appear smooth. We are going to lift the right wing into the crease in the center. We are then going to repeat this process with the left wing. We are going to flip over this newspaper and repeat the process once again. We are going to lay the wings flat, and then we are going to lift the right wing into the crease in the center and fold. We are then going to repeat this process with the left wing and fold. Starting with the right hand side, we are going to fold the wings towards the crease in the center once again. We are going to repeat this process with the left hand side and gently press down. We are then going to flip the newspaper over and repeat the process of folding both left and right wings into the crease in the center. The folds that we create are going to function as the outside flaps of the seedling pot. As you can see, there is a middle crease that guides us on where to fold our flaps. We are going to fold our flaps from top to bottom. As we go along, we are going to gently press against the edge. We are then going to flip over our newspaper and repeat the process on the other side. And remember to gently press down to enforce the folds. As you can see, our pot is starting to take shape. Let's go ahead and tuck in our flaps. The easiest way to do this is by creating an outside facing fold alongside the bottom edge of the pot. We are then going to repeat this process on the other side. Once the fold is created, we are easily able to create an inward-facing fold that can then be tucked into the pre-existing folds on the pot. Sometimes the folds that we create need to be modified to fit correctly, and this can take a few attempts. More often than not, we need to redo folds so that they can snugly fit into the flaps. As you can see, I have created a fold that I am attempting to tuck in to the other side of the pot. Again, as I go through the process of creating a newspaper seedling pot, I am reinforcing the folds and attempting to ensure that they are crisp so that the pot is able to stand alone. As I previously mentioned in this video, getting the flaps to stay in place requires a little bit of work. You'll have to go back and refold the flaps a few times to make sure that they are securely in place. Once they're secure, you will feel a sense of stability when it comes to handling your pot. Our newspaper seedling pot is now completed. One great benefit to know about planting these newspaper pots into the ground with young seedlings is that you are actively minimizing root disturbance and getting your plants off to a good start. Also, the newspaper will break down over time and plant roots are able to grow through the newspaper. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more summer reading program virtual activities from Watsonville Public Library. Happy gardening!